Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. Alright, so let's get started with the dried results of the last painting. Now, yes, did not turn out to be the vision I had expected, but I'm actually really happy with the results. You know, every bloom I seem to do seems to be a dark colored bloom. So today, as promised, I'm gonna do a light colored bloom, but this dried perfectly. And I love the iridescent turquoise in there. So that just needs a top coat of Krystal Resin and it shall be ready for purchase for anyone who wants it. Let's see what else is going on really quickly. You saw the last video, you saw some photos of the house. It's coming along. Anthony and I went to go and see it the other day, and the kitchen is in, the floors are in, the tiles in the bathrooms are in, cabinets are all in. What else? The garage door's been installed. Yee, so exciting. I gotta start packing. I'm not looking forward to that, but I do have to start packing. I get the keys September 22nd, so 2 days after my birthday. Yay! Talk about a great birthday. But yeah, so I gotta start packing. I gotta start doing that. Echo is doing better. He's not 100%, but he's like, I'd say he's like 85% better. So I'm really excited and happy about that. All right, let's get started to today's video. Oh, I didn't do a live. I promised you guys Thursdays I would do a live every Thursday on YouTube. I did not do a live this past Thursday because I went to the zoo. Took the kids and went to the zoo. So if anything comes up that's family or important, that comes first, obviously, as you all know. But yeah, we went to the zoo and saw lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. All right, so today I'm using white. Color to go. White. This should be interesting. I'm usually not a fan of the light colors, but let's do it. And then the colors I'm using today. So I ended up messaging Shelly and I said, woman, I love this painting you did. You got to share the colors with me. And she did. Now, some might be a different brand than hers, but I chose the same, I think almost the same colors. And surprisingly, in that painting that I loved so much, she didn't have a single TLP piggy in it. So I'm gonna do what she did and see what happens. I also noticed in her video, you know how I always pour like circle on top, on top, on top of every color? She kind of does them like rectangular and doesn't literally usually always pour the same color on top of each other. She kind of just, I'll show you as I go. But I'm gonna do what she does. And it might work and it might not work at all. I don't know. So the colors I'm using are Cobalt Teal by TriArt, okay? Then I have Dioxazine Violet by TriArt, followed by, what is this? Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. Then I've got, what is this? Napthol Red Light. Even though it says red, it's orange to me. And that's by Amsterdam. Then I have Permanent Magenta by Winsor Newton. And then topping it off, I have Phthalo Turquoise by TriArt. So again, yeah, this is, yeah. Nope, I lied. It's not TriArt. It's Turquoise Phthalo by Golden. Oh, Golden, sweet. So I don't have a piggy in here, which is crazy, but we'll see how it turns out. And then for cell activator, she did black, but I have my Payne's gray. And then on top of it, she did a second cell activator, which was copper. So she used copper by TriArt, but my cell activators are both Amsterdam. So I don't know about this. This is iffy to me, but I'm gonna do it anyway because that's what Shelly did. So I don't know. If it's no good, then I'll scrape it and do it again and then just omit the gold cell activator, but I'm gonna try it. I mean, if I don't try it, how the heck am I supposed to know if it's gonna work or not, right? Okay, so let's start with putting down the white paint. And I mean, this paint's pretty old, so I'm already seeing goobers in here, which is not cool. Totally not cool. Let's see. Are there goobers? Oh gosh, there are. Sugar and spice and everything not so nice. Oh, there's another one. Goobers are no bueno. Yeah, goobers are really bad. Okay. I think I see another one. I see another one. Holy schmoly, man. And this is a brand new jug. It's like a year old, I think, but it's a brand new jug. I've actually never used it. But just goes to show that there are boogers in the paint. You know, it's just dried paint that comes off the lid or the side of the jug, you know, because it's dried out. So, is what it is. All right, so let's start with the Cobalt teal. And another thing I noticed that Shelly does is she loads the paint on here, okay? She literally loads it up. So, I mean, heck, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load it up. I don't know if this is gonna be good or bad, but again, if I don't try, how the heck will I know? Okay, and then, whoops. Then we did some Dioxazine purple. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Then some yellow over here. I mean, I'm not used to putting this much paint down. And some orange. I don't know how this is gonna pan out, but we're about to find out together. Okay. And then I'm not paying attention. I'm looking that way and I'm totally not paying attention, and I totally dipped my finger into the container. Okay. Okay. And then we've got this. Oh gosh, my goodness. I don't know. I don't know about this orange. It's freaking me out a bit. It's freaking me out a little bit. What if I did some more of the magenta? Just, I don't know. I don't know. That's a lot of paint. I'm gonna pop the bubbles. Okay. And I'm gonna put down black cell activator first. And she puts quite a bit, so I'm actually gonna take the lid off. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of the copper because I'm just so petrified of it, to be honest with you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wish me luck. Let's go. Oh my goodness. What? 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 Oh my gosh. What is going on here? Oh my gosh, look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Trust the process. Trust Shelly. What? Okay, I need my ladle. Oh my gosh, let that do its thing. Am I gonna start becoming a white lover and just start using, oh geez, there was a big boogie there, and start using white base now? Am I gonna have to start going to Sherwin-Williams and buying white? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. See, these are the boogies that come out from around the rim of, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to ruin this by spinning, so let's hope that the spinning ends up being good. Okay, let's move this out. Let's spin it. There's a lot of blue. Lot of blue. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! I mean, hello. What the heck? I mean, there's a lot of paint on here, so I have to keep spinning it, but I don't want to keep spinning it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of paint on here. I have to keep spinning it. Okay, let's do one more spin. Oh my, that's it. I don't care how much paint is still in the middle. I'm not spinning it anymore. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. A lot of the copper cell activator is like MIA, and that's fine. Whoa. So here's what I learned. I learned that you don't necessarily have to put each color on top of each other. As you saw, I did the orange, yellows, and magentas on the one side, and the teals and the purples and the turquoise on the other side. So that's why we have this double side here, which, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Now I want to do another one. Oh my gosh. Now I want to do another one, and this time add some piggies just for shimmer purposes. What? What is going on here? Look how big the cells are. I mean, it's still moving in the center, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. We'll see how bad that is, if it's a good thing or a bad thing, or if it's really going to affect anything when it's drying. So I hope the cells don't get wonky while drying, but I mean, oh, wow. I am absolutely thrilled right now. Thrilled, 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 thrilled. I'm doing this again. Next video, I'm going to try it again, change a few things up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to clean up, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, so here we have it. I can't believe it. It'll be interesting to see how it dries. Again, there was a little paint still in the center, so I'm not sure if that's going to make the cells go wonky or not. But I mean, I've never had such massive cells before. So I guess trust the process and try something different, because I've never tried this before and I cannot believe what I'm looking at. So it'll be very interesting to see how this dries and if anything goes wonky or not. I'm still going to turn off the lights and we'll check it out, but we all know there's going to be not a single speck of shimmer in here. Although the gold cell activator was metallic, so there might be some, but I'm not expecting much because I didn't use any TLPs. So let's turn the lights off and see what we get. All right, so we've got the flash on. Let's see. Oh, well, yeah, actually there is a little bit in there. Wherever the gold cell or the copper, actually, not gold. I said gold earlier, but it's copper. But there is a little bit, but not enough. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do it again, but this time add TLP piggies. So yeah, not much shimmer happening in here, but the cells are unbelievable. I can't believe this. This is insane. And there you have it, my friends. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to try this again, but this time I'm going to throw in some TLP piggies for some shimmer on. I can't wait to try this again, but yeah, I'm going to definitely do this again. Maybe switch up a little bit like how I layer them and how I put them down, but I am unbelievably amazed with how this turned out. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I do it again? I mean, I think I'm gonna start using some white bases coming up. Definitely gonna start trying that. So that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.